Hello everyone, this is my review of these wall hooks. These hooks are heavy duty, could hang up to about 33 pounds on them. Uh, they come with self-adhesive. You just tear off the stickers on the back and you just stick them onto the wall wherever you need them. The hooks can flip up and down. These are great for hanging stuff in areas where you can't use a nail, don't want to use a nail, especially on a wall surface or a finished surface. They stick pretty good and they're easy to apply. And I'm going to hang a bag on there to show you what it's like a little bit. Okay, I got my bag hanging on there and see it holds really well. That bag is a little bit heavy and it takes it on with no problem. So I really do recommend these hooks if you need to hang stuff in places. And I hope this review helps.